New at 6 tonight, Sevier and several other counties now deciding whether to require face masks when out in public. This after Governor Bill Lee issued Executive Order 54 on Friday, allowing 89 counties to implement mask mandates, but leaving it up to the county mayors to decide. WATE 6 on your side reporter Kirsty Crawford now telling us how some counties are deciding and why.
I'm going to say overall, folks have been following the guidelines. Probably the one they followed the least would be the mask.
Sevier County, considered a hot spot in East Tennessee, the number of COVID-19 cases continuing to rise faster than when the pandemic first started. Positive cases jumping up by 173 since July 1st. Pigeon Forge Commissioner Ken Maples saying he isn't usually a fan of government mandates, but hopes masks will be required in Sevier County.
I've got to take into consideration the 6,000 residents in Pigeon Forge that I represent, in addition to the many visitors that come and go literally each day, each week.
A couple of counties over, Loudoun County Mayor Buddy Bradshaw says he won't be implementing a mask mandate.
In order to mandate this, I think would be an overreach of what my constitutional authority would be first and foremost. And I think it's up to each individual to be responsible for their own safety. And, I think it's better left up to the individual and to the business.
Bradshaw saying he's glad Governor Lee left the decision up to each individual county. Not each county has been impacted by COVID-19 the same. Maples, on the other hand, thinks the opposite.
There's visitors that, for instance, come to Sevier County and they may go to Blount County, to Townsend and the Cades Cove area, and the two governments may have different mask requirements. So why not make it all the same across the state of Tennessee if we're surging in the majority of the counties across the state of Tennessee?
Sevier County originally planning to make the mask decision today, now pushing back the announcement until tomorrow. Kirsty Crawford, WATE 6 on your side.